everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 527 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil, and I got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box for the month of July, so if you have not seen my unboxing of that, I will link that video down below. But I was really excited to get this product in my box this month because I've never tried anything from the brand Pixi by Petra. But I've heard great things about this brand, about this glow mist. So I'm really excited to finally get to try out this glow mist and to try out a Pixi product. But let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any Pixi products that you love and you would recommend. So maybe I can try those out in future videos. So this has a retail value of $15, and when I was looking it up online, I saw that you could get it at Target, at Kohl's, at Walmart, and the pixibeauty.com website. And it says that it's an all-over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion enriched with 21 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera, and fruit extracts. And so you can use it before and after makeup. So right now I have no makeup on, so I wanted to use this before, but then I will also use it after I apply my makeup. But so it looks like a salad dressing. The oil and the water are separating, and it's just like when you shake it up, it gets all these oil bubbles. So I feel like I just can't stop shaking it. It's such a fun little toy. All right, so let's check it out. So I'm going to give it a good shake, and oh, interesting looking spray bottle. It's not the typical shape that I was expecting, but I have to say I like the packaging and I like the color and the unique shape to it. But before I spray it onto my face, I'm just gonna test out the sprayer and see how it mists. Ooh, there we go. Ooh. I noticed right away a really nice scent. It smells like rose, like a natural rose scent. And that was a big area of mist. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it all over my face. Get a good shake. All right. Yeah, it does have a really nice floral scent, but it's not an overpowering scent. And it feels nice on my skin. I don't see any very visible droplets, but we'll check that again once I actually have makeup on. But I'm just kind of pressing it into my skin. And it does feel really hydrating. I can already feel that even on my lips, because I of course sprayed some right onto my lips too. And it does feel very moisturizing on my dry lips, so I like that. So what I'm going to do right now is, like whenever I try out a primer, I like to use the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. So I'm going to apply the foundation on top of this right now, just so that we can see how the makeup looks on top of it. And let's see, before I do that though, is this giving me glow and luminosity? I would say yes. Like my skin definitely has that shiny dewiness to it, and there is some sticky tackiness left on my skin right now, but my skin is definitely feeling very comfortable and hydrated, which is what I was hoping for. So let's see how the foundation looks on top of it. And I will link in the description down below my full review on this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. And if you've been watching my channel or seen any of my primer reviews, you would know that I always use this foundation when I review primers, because I like that it's a very natural finish foundation that doesn't have skin enhancing or changing ingredients in it that would change how the skin looks. Therefore, I can actually tell how my skin texture is underneath this foundation. I think that the foundation blended beautifully on top of my skin with the spray on it. And the texture of my skin looks really nice, smooth, hydrated. There's no dry patches. Yeah, I'm loving the texture of my skin right now. It doesn't look like there's makeup on my skin. Just looks like a smooth, hydrated texture. And I still think that I can see some glow to my skin. It does look very healthy with some nice dewiness, but without looking greasy. So I love the texture of my skin right now. I'm very happy with it. I have large pores along my cheeks and my nose, and this doesn't have any of those pore filling effects that those types of primers do. So I can still see a bit of texture from my pores. So I wouldn't use this as my only primer personally for my skin concerns. I also can still see some redness, so I like to use green primers to cancel that out and pore filling primers to fill in my large pores. But for that hydration and glow, I'm very happy with this so far. So next, I'm just going to finish up my makeup, and then I'll come back so that I can set it all with the glow mist again. Okay, I'm back with some more makeup on. I didn't do my mascara because I don't like to put my mascara on before I set my makeup, because then I'll get like the mascara marks all over my eyelids, which are just a pain to get rid of. I also did not do my highlight yet or lip product, because both of those I would do after setting my makeup. But if you're curious, I'll show you the products that I used on top of this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I actually used a lot of e.l.f. products. I used the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, the e.l.f. Blush here, the e.l.f. Eyebrow Pencil, and then I used the Butter Bronzer and the Wet n Wild Bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana to set my makeup. All of these products I've done full reviews on, so if you want to see those videos, I will have those linked down below. But now let's set this makeup. Okay, let's do a good shake. Okay, I really do like that scent. All right, now let's see how that misted. Are there any droplets? No, I think it's looking very even on my skin. A lot of times I'll take my dampened beauty sponge and just press the setting powder. Still do it a little bit along these lines, but I'll press the setting powder into my makeup, but I don't even feel like I need to with this. Okay, and I think that there is a beautiful glow to my face right now. And I didn't even put any highlighter on, but I feel like there's a beautiful reflection off of my cheek right now. So you know what? I would say that this lives up to that name, Glow Mist. I think it looks so beautifully glowy on the skin. This is exactly that ideal texture to me of skin. So I want it to look radiant and dewy, but not overly greasy. And I feel like that's exactly what I'm getting. I almost don't even need a highlighter with this. Yay, so I'm so happy that now I have this in my collection. I definitely want to try out more Pixi products. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.